Hi, and welcome to this quick overview of the new user interface enhancements in AVEVA Edge 2020. With the release of the 2020 AVEVA Edge product, we've updated the user interface, made it more intuitive, and given you some options for even higher productivity than you had before. Some of these things come in the form, for example, of custom themes or styles, new icons, more adherence to standards, and some things that you've grown familiar with the AVEVA Edge product, such as full compatibility with projects created in previous versions, not only AVEVA Edge, but InTouch Machine Edition, as well as InTouch Edge HMI. And you can have coexistence with previous versions installed on the same computer. So if you're a system integrator or a machine builder and you need to be able to support customers or projects in previous versions, you can keep those previous versions installed on the same computer. So let's flip over to the development environment here real quick. So here I'm going to show you that you can change the styles to make it more comfortable on your eyes. You can have, for example, a carbon theme. You can have a theme that's maybe a dark or even a black. And if you're going to spend hours a day in a development environment, why not make it easy on the eyes and something that appeals to you? You can even change the colors to a custom color that you might like and be able to use that. In addition to the updated icons and the user interface in general, some of the things that we've done in the interface has been things to rename and give you some consistency and some ideas of what's going on and making it easier to understand, particularly for new users. Some of the other things that we've done, for example, is the startup screen defaults to the first screen that you create, and it can be modified. So for example, if you come into the product and you right click on screens and insert and create a new screen, and you end up saving that, let's say for example, as the screen called main, well, you no longer have to go into project viewer and save that, change that startup screen as main. We found that new users would sometimes not know that you need to do that, and you could get a gray background and no screen to actually pop up. So if you didn't know to come in here, well, that automatically sets up your first screen as the startup screen. Now, alternatively, one of the things that you can do and been able to do for a while is right click on the screen name and set as startup. So you can always change the screen. We just thought it would be a little bit more intuitive that if we just make the first screen be the default startup screen, make it again easy for new users. Another thing is you're creating HTML projects. If you ever have the need, instead of navigating through the file menu and going save all as HTML, now right here from the screens you can just save all as HTML. That makes it a few less steps or clicks to be able to do. And another thing that you can do in here in your screens is now you can rename them right from this interface instead of having to save as and then delete the old one. Some other things that we've done in the scheduler, we've made it a little bit more obvious of which fields you can fill out depending on which triggering type, whether that's calendar, clock, or change, which fields are available and which fields you don't need to fill out. And one of my favorite new things is actually as you get working with things like recipes and saving off of graphics and printing of PDFs and things of that nature, you'll often need to go out to the root project of your folder. So rather than having to open up File Manager and navigate to that, right here, if you just click on the project and right click on that and say Open Folder in File Explorer, you'll jump right to the root folder of your project and be able to navigate within that. That's such a time saver and some things that really make it easy in AVEVA Edge 2020. So with that, I'm going to say thank you for your time. Really appreciate it, and go ahead and contact your AVEVA distributor or just Google AVEVA Edge 2020 and download your evaluation copy today. Thanks, and have a great day.